Hi, Sir June! Congratulations because now you are finally a monetized channel na po. So, I'm very happy to know that and I know po yung effort and time na binigay po ninyo just to achieve the requirement of YT. And now that you're a monetized channel, so keep on shining po, Sir June. And also keep on inspiring. Ayan, continue to inspire your viewers po because I really love the theme of your LS when you're hosting LS because not only you're encouraging your viewers to make friends with other creators but also you are actually inspiring them ayan, about life, about love. So lahat po so just continue doing that po kasi marami pong mga viewers ninyo ang marami natututunan po by just attending your LS. So continue that po. And more power to your channel. And thank you very much also for supporting mine. Salamat po sa lahat po ng mga advices po ninyo during your LS. And of course, yung pag-support po ninyo not only on my channel but also the channel of my ate, Inspirations by Janelle. So, Sir June, ay katulad po ng nasabi ko kanina, keep on shining, keep motivated, always be happy, and of course, enjoy what you are doing here in this platform. So once again, congratulations, Sir June.
Hi, good evening. This is Marvit Vita Pinoy. And I just want to greet June Ricaforte UAE channel. Congratulations ng bonggang-bongga sa iyo, Bunso, for being monetized. Siguro maiksing panahon pa lang tayong magkakilala sa YT World, but I can assure you na nandito lang si Ninang to support you. Thank you, God bless, and see you around. Stay safe.
Hi po sa lahat. Nandito po ako para i-congratulate yung kapatid natin na si June. Finally, monetize ka na, Lalabs June. Nagbunga na rin yung pinaghirapan mo, yung pinagpuyatan mo. Kaya, mababawasan na rin yung eye bags natin. Yung eye bags mo pala. Makakapag-relax ka na ng konti. Konti lang naman. lalo ka na ngayon may stress dahil monetize ka na, may kailangan ng i-maintain para hindi ka maging membro ng Red Lipstick Club. Kailangan mo nang i-maintain yung tatlong yan. Malalaman mo rin yan kung ano yung mga yan. Congratulations again. I-enjoy mo lang yung live streaming. Alam mo naman yung YT World Live natin. I-enjoy mo lang. Mahal ka namin, nandito lang kaming mga kaibigan mo para suportahan ka. PM is the key, kung mag-LS ka, just send a message para nandun kami para suportahan ka. Mahal ka namin, June. Take care always. Regards to your family, to your wife, to your children. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. God bless. And congratulations again. And good luck. Bye!
Hello, Brother June Ricaforte. This is Master Tang Taster. I would like to congratulate you for being a monetized channel na. So, kapatid na June Ricaforte, dagbungan na rin yung mga pagtsatsaga mo, yung sipag, yung determination mo na maka-monetize talaga. You deserve it, Brother June, because talaga pong napakabuti mong tao, napakabait mo, napaka-supportive mo, kaya talagang God give you that gift to you, which is the mamonetize ang channel mo. So, Brother June, as word of advice, etong pag-monetize natin, kasama ka na welcome to the YTT world na yan, yung YouTube, YPP, YouTube Partner Program, and you are now a certified blogger and YouTuber. Brother June, this is not the end of our journey. Ito pa lang ang umpisa. Okay? What do I mean by umpisa? Hindi matatapos dito ang pag-LS natin o pag-upload ng mga videos. No. umpisa pa lang ito. Kaya Brother Jun, ihanda mo ang sarili mo. Dahil mas kailangan mo pa talagang mag-LS, mag-upload para talagang lalong maging matagumpay tayo sa ating pag-upload ng mga videos and live streaming. Okay, Brother Jun Ricaforte, once again, congratulations and more power to your channel, and God bless you always. And again, I will say, Master Tongue Taster loves you with the love of the Lord.
Sa akin napakabait at tulungin na kaibigan si Sir John Ricaforte UA Channel. Masaya ako sa iyo, Sir John. Finally, monetize channel ka na. Naalala ko pa noon nung pamuni pa ako. Alam niyo ba na si Sir John talaga yung tumulong din sa akin para isa rin siya sa mga tumulong sa akin para matapos ko yung WH ko. At saka hindi lang ako, guys. Marami din tinulungan si Sir John na sa kanilang mga WH. So, Sir John, salamat ng marami. Sobrang napakabait mo at napakatulungin mo. Hindi lang sa akin at sa iba pa nating mga kaibigan. At sobrang pala kaibigan ito si Sir John at sobrang humble. Sir John, masaya ako para sa iyo. Alam ko talaga na kaya mo to at na mag-successful ka sa sa YT dahil napakagaling mo talaga, napakagaling, napakabait. Sobrang simple, humble kahit na sabihin natin may ibubuga si Sir John. Ayan, Sir John, once again, congratulations at salamat sa mga tulong mo sa akin at sa mga kaibigan.
Hello! Ayan, congrats, Sir Jun! Ayan, Jun Ricaforte UA channel ay sa wakas isa ng monetized channel! Yay! Kingkoy talaga. Yun nga. Thank you, Sir Jun, kasi nabigyan mo ko ng chance na magbigay sa iyo din ng congrats message. At i-grab ko tong opportunity na to na pasalamatan din kita kasi isa ka din sa naging dahilan na maging monetize ang aking channel. Kasi alam ko na hindi mo napanood yung thank you message ko, kaya dito na lang kita pasalamatan yan. Salamat din sa tulong mo sa akin at sa aming lahat. At ngayon naman ikaw na ang monetize channel yan. Ang saya namin para sa iyo, Sir Jun. Ang daming tumulong, lalo na sa saging mo kasi sa saging ka talaga natagalan. So ngayon, Sir Jun, ito na ang totoong YT world. Ayan. Nandito ka na sa totoong YT world. Be ready na sa stress. Charot. Yun na, Sir Jun, masasabi ko, more friends, more LS, and more upcoming vlog. Ayan. Sana ay mas mag-grow pa ng mag-grow ang ating mga channel, lalo na ikaw. Yun lang masasabi ko sa iyo, Sir Jun. Salamat, and good luck sa iyong monetized channel. Bye! Salamat. Basta hindi ko na pahabahin to. Basta thank you. Congrats ulit, Sir Jun. Ayan, nakaabaya ako, Sir Jun, kasi alis kami. Tapos madali talaga akong gumawa ng message, Sir Jun. Baka hindi ako makasali. Ayun. Salamat, Sir Jun, sa chance na magbigay ng congratulatory message. Yun lang ang sasabi ko. Congrats, and thank you. We love you. Maraming nagmamahal sa iyo, Sir Jun, kasi napakabait mong tao. Ayan. Salamat ulit. Thank you, and God bless more sa iyong channel. Bye!
What's up, guys? I just want to say congratulations to my idol Jun Ricaforte UAE channel. Congratulations, Idol Jun, sa kanang certified YouTuber ngayon. Congratulations, Idol Jun. Keep it up. Andito lang po kami na laging susuporta sa iyo. And once again, congratulations for becoming a monetized channel.
Hello, Sir Jun Ricaforte UAE channel. Finally, you are monetized and welcome to the monetized world. And I'm so lucky that I met you through the YT world, and I'm so proud of you. And congratulations, Endlich, finally, you are monetized. And God bless you, and see you around. Bye-bye. From Vienna, Austria with love. From Europe. Bye. Congratulations again. Bye.
Hello! At last, namuni na rin si Sir. Congrats, Sir. Ayan ha, sabi ko sa'yo, dapat yung isang araw kaya namuni ka na. Kasi ang bait-bait mo, inuna mo pa kami. Salamat karela sa pagtulong mo sa amin. Ako, congrats again, Sir. Ayan na.
Hello, Kuya. And I just want to say mega shout out to Kuya June, Rika Fort, and I'm gonna say congratulations on reaching the milestone, one of the biggest milestone in YouTube. I know, Kuya, that the journey was not easy, but if anyone deserves it, it is you. So, Kuya, congratulations for achieving monetization in YouTube. You deserve it. We're all proud of you, and it's much awaited success. So I just want to say thank you for your support on my LS, for being one of my greatest sponsors. And if I was to give you a piece of advice, is to always be humble. Never see your friends as mere revenue. Always remember who took you there, and just remember the good things and forget all the bad things like the tuwad and all that stuff. Alright, so Kuya, again, from the home of inspirations by Gen F, congratulations, Kuya June Ricafort, UAE, and thank you for everything. God bless and be safe always.
So, Kuya, sa ngayon, I want to congratulate you. Wala tayong magagawa, nandiyan na yan, dumating na. It's your turn na mag-monetize. Congratulations, Kuya. More videos to upload. At Kuya, sana huwag kang magsasawa na pag may LS ka, paakyatin mo ako at makipagkulitan, makipagchikahan sa'yo at sa mga guests mo. So, ayun lang. Congratulations, and ano pa ba? And God bless to your channel. Nandito lang kami na para sumuporta sa'yo. Love ka namin. Thank you sa'yo. Napaka gininto ang puso. Maraming salamat. At mag-iingat kayo palagi dyan sa Dubai ni Sis Jenny and yung mga kids. Thank you so much. At nabigyan ako ng pagkataon na mag-greet sa'yo ng congratulations. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Hello, Sir June. Ayan, congratulations sa'yo. Welcome to the Money Club. For sure, mas magiging busy ka na this time. More upload, more contents, and more subscribers to come. Congratulations ulit sa'yo.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me again here in Jane Channel Simple Life in BC, and today's video is all about giving a congratulations message to our dear friend June Ricafort UA channel. Yay! Congratulations to you, Sir June Ricafort, for being a monetized channel. You made it to the first level of YT World. Congratulations to you! I'm so glad that you made it, Sir June. All your sacrifices, all your efforts, all your pagpupuyat sa pag-i-LS has been paid off now. Sa wakas, you made it, Sir June. Thanks be to God. I'm so happy for you, Sir June. And I wish you more fun in the YT world, in your channel. I wish you more good content in the videos. I know you're good in it. And I wish you're always happy in what you're doing. Continue doing it, Sir June. And I'm looking forward to your more movies that you're gonna be producing, because I know you're good in that. I love all the movies that you made, and I love watching them. Thank you so much, and I'm so glad that I've been a part of your Whitey World Circle of Friends. Thank you so much, Sir June, and I'm so happy for you. Mega congratulations to you, Sir June. Like a 40! Yay! Congratulations, Sir June!
Hi John, Deka 40, congratulations! Sa wakas, na-monetize ka na rin. God bless and keep your vlogging sa inyong YouTube channel. Thank you John, bye!
Hello Rain, Winalicious here, and mega love shout out to Kuya Jun UAA. Eindelijk jouw kanaal is monetized. And natuurlijk ik wens u meer revenue, meer banan, and sana po ay lumago pang iyong channel. And God bless you!
Hi Sir June, gusto kitang batiin ng isang napaka-bonggang congratulations. I'm sure ayaw mo pa talagang ma-monetize, but you know, talagang hindi na mapipigilan. As in, congratulations sa iyo, and I'm so happy na, ayan, monetized ka na. And sana, alam mo, magtuloy-tuloy pa ang blessings na to, and I'm sure naman na marami pang darating na blessings. I'm so happy na talagang hindi mo ako nakakalimutan, lagi mo akong naaalala, lagi mo akong naiimbita, and for the collab, maraming salamat. Thank you very much talaga. I'm so honored na talagang hindi mo ako nakakalimutan din. So, ayan, congratulations, and cheers! More blessings! Cheers, cheers, cheers! Talagang maraming wine na dapat iinumin. Okay. O sige, congratulations ulit, and God bless you more.
Georgion, je voudrais dire félicitations de votre team. Tu es monetized. Maintenant, tu le mérites. Bonne chance, Chona France channel from France.
Desde aquí en España, hola a todos. Enhorabuena, Sergio Ricaforte UA Channel, y ahora eres un canal monetizado. Estamos felicitando que has llegado hasta aquí. No te lo mereces por tu esfuerzo. Te damos un beso muy grande. Cuídate muy bien y nos vemos. Adiós.
Hello, Sir June! Congratulations! Finally, you are a monetized channel now. Yay! Very well deserved. I only knew of a few people that can really inspire others to achieve greatness, and you're one of those. Walang sipsipan yan, Sir June. Your drive and passions are very infectious, so congratulations to your success. And because of that, please do not forget to take a moment and enjoy it. Congratulations once again, and I'm so happy for you. This is Jenny Madian signing out.
Sir John, allora cosa posso dire? Congratulazioni perché sei diventato un YouTuber certificato, quindi è ora di andare oltre di quello che fai, quindi forza e coraggio, Sir John, e spacchiamo il mondo, ok? Quindi grazie mille per essere il mio amico e grazie di tutto di quello che fai per te. Quindi, un'altra volta vorrei dire congratulazioni perché sei diventato un YouTuber certificato.